Hello, friends, and welcome back to the channel Best Coaching. Guys, if you are from Kota, the education hub of India, you probably know that in Kota there is no lack of coaching institutes for different career choices, and Judiciary Civil Services exam is one of them. So, there is a need for you to choose a coaching institute which can provide you a safe online class method and along with that can also provide you with the required facilities, faculties and the resources that you need to make sure that you crack the exam with flying colors. But don't worry, after a lot of research on student reviews, past results, and many other factors which are needed, we have come up with top 4 judiciary civil services coaching in your city so that you can opt one of the best coachings and make sure that your preparation goes on without any hurdle and you achieve your goal of UPSC. Then let us begin. The Coaching Institute ranking number 4th on our list is Yojana IAS. Guys, this is an ideal coaching institute for millions of students across India because it gives one important feature which many students seek in today's coaching institute. That is, its mode of operation is available in both Hindi as well as English medium, which is unlike many coaching institutes out there only working through English medium. Not only this, this coaching institute has experienced faculty members which are really helpful and supportive to the students. Group discount to student and female aspirants are also given here. According to students, study booklets and notes which are provided here are really beneficial and they say that reading these study booklets and notes help them really in the real exam. Moreover, opportunity of discussion about topics on various platforms is available here, which is a prominent feature which is not seen in many coaching institutes today. Talking about the batch size, only 60 candidates are allowed so that you can have a competitive as well as a silent environment which is needed to crack the exam. So, to know more, visit yojanaias.com or you can also contact them on the number shown on the screen. So, this was our rank 4. Now, moving towards the rank 3, the name of the coaching is Plutus IAS. Guys, Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching institutes out there that is only focused on online classes in these COVID times, which is really good, and every day working to modify their classes so that their students get the best out of them. It is the only coaching institute that provides best faculty candidate interaction. Now, you will get here live classes, and along with live classes, you can also have the feature of recorded lectures. And any unlike other coaching, you will have access for them up to 2 years. Mock tests are held here, which are really beneficial in practice. Batch size is only of 40 to 50 students, so that you have an ample of decorum in the batch, and there is no disturbance for you. Moreover, the faculty member which will teach you here are really qualified, and that can be seen from the fact that they are themselves passed out from JNU, BHU, DU, that shows their qualification and have 10 plus years of experience. So they are not amateurs in the game. Talking about daily resources, you will get here daily quiz, study material, video lecture, newspapers, current affairs, and whatnot. They will also provide you with a strategy planning, which is really good for you. Now, talking about the fees, it is only rupees 1 lakh plus GST for a course duration of 9 to 12 months. So, think about that. If you want to know more about them, then visit plutusies.com or you can also contact them on the number shown on the screen. So, guys, the Coaching Institute ranking number 2 on our list is for students who have been stuck with many doubts regarding their preparation strategy for 2022 Judiciary Civil Services exam or time management or maybe any other mental doubt that might occur during these times. Well, the name of the coaching that I'm going to talk about is the Hindu Zone, and the feature that I'm talking to you about is the free counseling that it provides. Yes, you heard it right. Here, they provide free counseling in which you can get in talk with an expert and get all your doubts cleared. Isn't that amazing? Along with free counseling, they also provide the feature of paid counseling, which you can access by paying some amount and getting in return a lot of good features that are really helpful in building a good career. Moreover, recorded video lectures of every prominent coaching out there, whether it is offline or online, is available on their site for you. Doubt sessions are also held here, which are really beneficial in clearing your doubts, as doubts are prone to pop up if you study online. Now, talking about the test, they conduct mock tests on regular period of time to keep you in check of your strength and weaknesses. So, are you amazed by them? Do you want a free counseling? Then go visit thehinduzone.com, or for any other query, contact them on the number shown on the screen. So now guys, it's time for the rank 1. The name of the coaching is Kautilya IAS. Guys, Kautilya IAS is the only coaching institute out there which is only specialized for judiciary civil services exam. That means it puts its 100% effort in judiciary civil services exam preparation only. Moreover, its aim is also to shape and mold legal career through institutionalized teaching and come up as a pioneer in coaching judiciary institutes. Now, talking about the key features that you will get here. First of all, expert guidance is given with subject to subject special emphasis. That is really important because some are weak in some subjects and some are strong in some subjects. Now, the teaching method that they will follow here is unlike any other coaching. It is based on recent law case judgment method, which is giving you real life experience of how cases are solved and a good hand above in your exams. Moreover, the small batch sizes are maintained in order to provide a better understanding and a better environment for studies. Now, don't worry, if any doubt pops up, they conduct doubt sessions after or even during the classes to make sure that you clear a doubt as soon as it pops up. Regarding your practice, they will provide you daily sample papers which are really beneficial, and a weekly mock test will also be conducted for you to test your strength and weakness and make sure that you focus on your weaknesses too. So isn't that amazing? Then go visit kautilyaiyas.com or contact them on the number shown on the screen. So guys, these were the 4 coaching institutes that I talked to you about. Go check them out and make sure that you choose the best one for you. And now my job is done. Now your job begins. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and also share it with your friends who need it.